All right, welcome back to Sunrise. Put down your tea or your coffee tea and get ready for some giggles. Actually, drink the coffee at the same time because that's going to be funny on its own. But it's time for React, one of our favorite segments here on the show. And we just want to let you know that TK and I have no responsibility whatsoever for the videos chosen. And the videos are not funny. Please write to our producers because we do not respond for it.
And this is our first time seeing it too. So let's jump into it. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Video numero uno, por favor.
Baby cow.
Calf.
Calf.
What's a calf? Huh? Calf. Oh. That's.
Hey, she ain't wrong. She ain't wrong. Did she lie though? Did she lie though?
I wasn't expecting that.
Did she lie though?
I was not expecting
The
that.
lady said, what's calf?
Yo, I love kids, you know? Kids are the greatest thing known to mankind. The greatest.
Listen, that just means Jamaicans, we need to pronounce words better for the children, as you can see, you know?
Mighty word in... Next video, please, before my cough in here.
Not the moonwalk back to the kids. Yo.
TK, don't ask.
That was, how you know? How you know? I was
TK.
coming straight to you.
I can't make eye contact.
Hey, these children, you know, they know what they pick me, you know?
TK, I'm going to tell you something. You see, I like you with your braids, all the braids with a turn on
See
with
that?
here. You say, whoosh. What you just say? Man.
They know they pick me, boy, man, I tell you.
This, I believe, children, God designed children to test if we have the patience of Job, and that may decree and declare because, woo!
Can you imagine?
Oh, TK, I don't have to imagine. What is wrong with you? No imagination needed here.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. What's the next video?
That one was triggering.
You got triggered? Hey, facts. You see? Hey, these youngins don't know. I saw something online that was saying, somebody was asked, you know, how come he in the hospital? They're like, I coughed. I just coughed and it threw out something. Yo, some things can go on, but it's true, man. Some things you used to hop and skip over, and you wouldn't know. You're still fit and fabulous. Me on the other hand, let me tell you something. Rough dread. Rough.
But he only jumped from 2 steps.
That's okay. It happens. Sometimes you trip over nothing. Nothingness. And end up rolling. No, man.
Can we just play that one more time, please? Please, can I have a pull-up? I am asking and pleading so kindly. It's so accurate.
That's why I'm laughing, because I can so relate. It's so relatable. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's the next video? What's the next video?
That never happens already.
Kyle, why you throwing away a good shoe? Shoe mash up. Give me this shoe, give me this shoe. All this you need is a little crazy glue. All the children know to do is throw away thing. That's why all the relationships don't last these days.
Sure, man, don't break. That just need a little crazy glue. Crazy glue? Bring it. You see it have a leak? I just put a little crazy glue on the edges here. I should be good in. But nobody can.
You just have to put a little crazy glue on the fan here to hold it in place. See? Like new. This just need a little crazy glue on the inside and we're good to go. Start him! The alternator just need a little crazy glue.
Hey, we laugh, but it's true. Sometimes still in a crazy glue to save the day, you know.
All right, I have a small confession here.
Okay, all right, hold on now. Let me twist.
I appreciate you. Thank you for seeing me and holding space. I have a magnet that is currently sitting on my counter that broke 2 weeks ago. But the magnet I bought in Egypt, so it's sentimental.
Okay.
It's of Nefertiti, like this. Okay, great. You know, say, me keep on forget to buy the crazy glue to fix the magnet TK, but I refuse to put away the pieces. I'm not throwing them away now. It's broken into 5 pieces, sitting right there beside the fridge, you know, on the
Just
counter.
waiting for the crazy glue.
I'm gonna fix it. TK, I'm gonna fix
We're
it.
laughing about some of these things. It's real. The crazy glue will hold it for another 20 years. I'm telling you. I'm not asking. Crazy glue, put some of them boot there. Come on, man.
What's gonna happen is your grandchildren are gonna find it and be like, wow, look at this. There's crystallized substance within the ceramic.
And you'll be like, yes, kids, that's exactly what it is.
Special gem material.
Who picked those videos? Those videos did nice.
Very
this
well
morning.
done. I picked them.
Did you?
I did not.
Oh.
But I'm gonna
I was like,
take all the credit.
Kudos to the pickers of the videos. We like them. We like them.
This
we like
morning
them.
was good.
It was
Made me
nice.
laugh, you know, my cheeks actually feel
Yeah. Because they're relatable.
exhausted.
It's a way of, I'm telling you, it's amazing how content creators continue doing on thing. Because you see how this jokey, they just dip on camera online. It really brings joy to the world sometimes. It really does.
It
And it's
really
hard
does.
work. It's hard work, so keep it up. Keep it up. Keep us laughing. Because we need to laugh
I
sometimes. Woo.
appreciate it. I got everything worked out today. My face, my stomach. That was great. Workout done. Laughter. The exercise you didn't know you needed.
And that's all the time we have for this exercise segment, or laughing exercise segment in React. Coming up next, the National Pantomime Company is bringing some big vibes into our studio. Stay with us.
Pantomime.
Panto.